Hi, the inside of our pool ladder/stairs was filled with algae, so I removed all the plastic hoses inside the ladder and put lots of bleach in the rest to let that soak before I will install it later. Pool opening season up here now in Canada. Now I just noticed that another part of the ladder is also filled with algae, so I was wondering if I should seal it with some product or remove the rocks inside and try to clean the inside as much as possible. I took pictures, thanks.
Hello, I'm Gina and I'm a moderator for this topic. We have been working with our professionals to try to help you with your question. Sometimes it may take a bit of time to find the right fit. I was checking to see if you had already found your answer or if you still needing assistance from one of our professionals. Please let me know if you wish to continue waiting or if you would like for us to close your question. Also remember that JustAnswer has a multitude of categories to help you with all your needs from pet to legal. Thank you, Gina moderator.
Hi, still need help, thanks.
Hello Seb, thank you. We will continue to look for a professional to assist you. Please let me know if I can be of any further assistance while you wait. Best, Gina.
Okay, thanks. I just tried to post my pictures, but I got an access denied page.
Hello, you can email those pictures talks@xxxxx30 and the customer service team will be happy to forward them to the professional that takes on your question. Thank you, smile Gina.
Good morning, you are on the right track. I suggest removing what you are able to and clean it the best you can. Cleaning it now will save you time and money in the future. Hope you have a good summer.
Clean it with bleach. What % hydrochloride? Why not seal everything and therefore keep the algae inside with some kind of pool silicone?
Yes, you can clean it with bleach or take your shock that you use, put it in a bucket, add water and allow to dilute. As for sealing, well, you can, but if it's not completely sealed and the more algae grows inside, the greater chance you have to possibly getting an algae bloom. And it sure would be bad to get that bloom when you gave plant a party. Because that's what usually happens. It's just better to remove it if you are able.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.